Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you how to crochet flower earrings that are about 1 inch in size. I'm using Yarn Art Begonia fine weight 100% cotton and a size C crochet hook. To begin, make a slip knot with the yellow and chain 2. Alternatively, you can do a magic ring and chain 1. In the second chain from the hook, or in the magic ring, make 10 single crochet stitches in it. This chaining 2 and making stitches in the first chain is an alternative to making a magic ring or loop. Continue around for 10 single crochet. After completing the 10 single crochet stitches, slip stitch to the first stitch. It's up to you how you would like to fasten off and weave in ends. With earrings, you can just make several knots in the back and cut off the excess string. Next, with the pink yarn, I'm placing a slip knot on my hook. Then, I insert my hook and slip stitch into any one of the stitches along the yellow ring. For each of the 5 petals, we're going to do this. Start with the chain 1. Then half double crochet in the same space. Then double crochet in the same space. Now in the next space, we'll reverse it. Start with a double crochet, then a half double crochet, and finish with the chain 1. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. And here's our first of 5 petals. For the next petal, start with the chain 1, then half double crochet, then double crochet, and reverse in the next stitch. Double crochet, half double crochet, chain 1. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. And that's the second petal. I'll show this again. Chain 1, half double crochet, double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, and chain 1. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Follow the same process for the last remaining 2 petals. The last slip stitch will be placed here. This is what the flower looks like at this point. I generally cut and knot the ends on the back very securely. I place a small drop of clear nail polish on both the pink knot and the yellow knot to securely hold the ends in place on the back of the earring. Then I glue a pearl to the center of the flower. You'll need some style of earring wire and a jump ring. Always open the jump ring this way, either with pliers or your fingers, so it doesn't get distorted. Then place the jump ring through one of the stitches at the top of the flower, and then attach the earring wire to the jump ring as well. Properly close the jump ring like this. And that's it. Now you can make flower earrings in all different colors. And now you know how I make flower earrings. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.